To fix WhatsApp last seen not showing on your Android phone, you will need to check both your own privacy settings and the settings of the person whose status you are trying to see. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then Privacy, then Last Seen and Online. Here, make sure you haven't selected Nobody or excluded certain people under the Who Can See My Last Seen option. If you have hidden your last seen from someone, you will also not be able to see theirs. Next, check if the person you are trying to view has restricted their last seen from you. WhatsApp follows a mutual privacy rule. If someone hides their last seen or online status from you, you won't be able to view theirs either. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version via the Google Play Store and that your internet connection is stable, as a poor connection might delay updates to online and last seen indicators. If you are still facing issues, restart your phone or clear the WhatsApp cache from Settings, then Apps, then App Management or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then find WhatsApp from the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. By following these steps, you can fix issues with WhatsApp last seen or online status not showing correctly. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.